The Bagong Pilipinas Servisyo Fair is the mother of all government services and assistance roadshows. And the people in the elevated city of Antipolo were so excited and energized for its arrival in tandem with the President's Alianza Senate Coalition Ticket Rally today. Our Isaiah Mirafuentes fills us in with more details.
It was only 8 in the morning when Nanay Elenita immediately went to Antipolo Sports Hub. Even though she is a health worker, she believes that she also needs to consult a doctor herself. That's why she is very grateful to know that there is a free consultation today in Antipolo City.
Maganda rin po kasi bilang BFW, nakakadagdag din to bilang pagtulong sa mga kapwa ko pasyente, no? Alam ko kung kanino ko sila ilalapit.
Rizaleño supported the government one-stop shop program, trabaho at serbisyong pangkalusugan sa Bagong Pilipinas. This program brings together several government agencies to bring government services closer to the people. This is the goal of trabaho at serbisyong pangkalusugan sa Bagong Pilipinas. The program was led by President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. along with the campaign of the Alliance this evening in Antipolo. At past 4 in the afternoon, the chief executive arrived at Antipolo Sports Hub to spend time with the Rizaleños. Various government agencies joined forces to immediately provide the necessary services to our fellow citizen. Included in this was Department of Health, which offered free medical consultations. What's good about this, there's no need to wait long to get the result of the lab test. The Dolen test also provided services. That's why some Rizaleño who applied to several private companies were instantly hired. The DSWD, PhilHealth, SSS, and Pag-ibig were also there. According to Presidential Advisor for Poverty Alleviation Secretary Larry Gadon, the program has a big impact in reducing poverty in the country. This program also helped MSMEs, micro, small, medium enterprises through the DSWD, which according to the President should be a top priority.
Sa administrasyon po ito, kinikilala namin na yung mga problema ng ating mga kababayan, ng mga pagkaraniwan na problema ng ating mga kababayan ay kadalasan kapag marami na ay hindi naman matulutas ng isang ahensya lamang. Kaya po, lahat po ng departamento, lahat po ng ahensya ay sinasama po namin sa lahat ng mga programa na ganito.
The government is also making efforts to disseminate this program nationwide. Isaiah Mirafuentes from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.